Hi, Tried Forex traders. This is May 21st, 2015, and we're getting ready to run yet another day of trading. We've kind of fallen into consolidation for the first time in a while. Very strong consolidation. And so here's what we're looking for. We're going to actually look for, we're having a buy bias right now in the euro dollar, even though we're in consolidation over a couple of days here. We're going to look for a buy at 1.1040, 1.1040, which is where we have a pod B strong, Bollinger Band on the 4 hour, and also we also have another area of support and resistance, like a horizontal area of support and resistance as well. So 1.1040 for a buy on the euro dollar. On the dollar Swiss, in exchange, we're going to look at 0.9405, which we have very similarly pod 1 stronger, 200 EMA, and a Bollinger Band in that area as well. So we're going to look for a sell at 0.9405. On the pound dollar, the pound dollar has just broken through a very strong area, and so we're going to look down here at 155.70, which I think is very safe for us to have a buy at the 38.2 fib area and where the short-term trend line is. So we're looking for a buy at 155.70 on the 1.5570 on the pound dollar. Aussie dollar, we've got a no trade, just not enough showing us anything just quite yet. And then we have the New Zealand dollar. The New Zealand dollar, actually, we do have a trade, and we're going to look for 74.88, so about 144 pips away for a sell on the New Zealand dollar. It's quite a bit away. It's at the pod B strong and the pod 1 strong. So look for that. The dollar CAD. Dollar CAD, I usually wouldn't take this trade, but it's just too tempting. We've got a trade at 122.50, and at 122.50, we're going to look for a sell here, right in this area. We've got a trend line that's been honored. We have pod 1 strong. Quite a few things that are actually going on right now. So we're going to look for that trade there. And I'm going to look for we got a pound yen that actually I'm not going to call. Actually, we just passed through this area of support and resistance. I was looking at 188.50 for a buy on the pound yen, but I'm going to hold off on that trade and actually going to look toward the dollar yen instead. So for the dollar yen, I'm going to look for 12200, which is where I have a very strong trend line here. I'm going to look for that trend line to be our area of support and resistance. We're going to look for it for resistance here, and we're going to look for a sell at 12200. Guys, those are our trades for May 21st, 2015. All the best. Bye-bye.